A Harvard professor, armed with science and determination, has just unearthed fragments that might be from extraterrestrial origins. Yes, you heard it right. Alien fragments, right here on Earth. But how did this happen? Are we on the brink of a groundbreaking revelation? Is this the evidence we've been waiting for? Join us in this extraordinary journey, where we unravel the cosmic secrets hidden in these tiny fragments and venture into the unknown. Meet Avi Loeb, a brainy professor from Harvard who's on a quest to uncover the universe's biggest mysteries. Imagine a scene, a farm in Israel, where young Avi enthusiastically bombards his family with profound questions about the vastness of space. Back then, adults either had smart answers or brushed him off. Now, Avi's all grown up, and he's still asking those questions, especially about aliens. But Avi thinks he's found evidence of aliens right here on Earth. Yep, you heard me right. In 2014, a meteor crashed and tiny pieces were found deep in the sea. Avi, aka the alien hunter of Harvard, believes these fragments might be from an advanced alien spaceship. Now, why does Avi think this way? Well, he's got some cool facts to back him up. Did you know that our Earth isn't unique? Nope. There are billions of planets like ours in the Milky Way galaxy alone. And guess what? There are trillions of galaxies out there. It's like a galactic neighborhood, and Earth isn't the only cool kid on the block. Avi's a bit of a rebel in the science world. He believes in using common sense. If Earth-like conditions exist in so many places, why can't aliens exist too? It's a bit like being a detective, connecting the dots in the vast universe. But here's the fun part. Avi's ideas stirred up some serious drama in the science community. Imagine being the kid who said, "I told you so," to all the doubters. His 2021 book, Extraterrestrial, The First Sign of Intelligent Life Beyond Earth, became a bestseller, but not without some raised eyebrows. Some folks didn't like his alien theories, but Avi stood his ground. But now, deep beneath the Pacific Ocean, in the mysterious depths near Papua New Guinea, lies a secret that could prove we're not alone in the cosmos. Avi Loeb, the brilliant mind from Harvard, who has spent years gazing at the stars, searching for signs of alien life, might have just found it. A meteor called IM-1, a space traveler from beyond our solar system, crashed into the ocean in 2014. Now, this isn't your regular space rock. No, it's something much more intriguing. Avi, along with his team of deep-sea explorers, embarked on a daring $1.5 million expedition. Just imagine a high-tech magnetic sled, dropped a whopping 2 kilometers below the ocean's surface from the Silver Star expedition vessel. What did they find? 50 tiny spherules, or molten droplets, each just half a millimeter in size. These little wonders aren't your ordinary meteor bits. Oh no, they might be made of a steel titanium alloy, stronger than the iron found in typical meteors. Now, here's the mind-boggling part. Avi believes these spherules are either from interstellar space, traveling unimaginable distances, or, and hold on to your hats for this one, crafted by an advanced alien civilization. That's right, aliens. But hold on, this isn't just a wild guess. Avi has a track record. Remember Oumuamua, the pancake-shaped space rock that zipped through our solar system in 2017? Avi said, "Hey, that's not natural. It's alien tech." While the scientific community raised eyebrows, he stood firm. And now, he might just have the proof he needs. But why the skepticism, you ask? Well, some folks in the science world aren't quite ready to accept the possibility of aliens among us. They call Avi's ideas outrageous, even arrogant, but he's unyielding. He's packing up those tiny spherules, taking them back to Harvard for some serious testing. In the cosmic puzzle of space, sometimes there's an outlier, a space rock that refuses to follow the rules. That outlier was IM-1, a meteor that came hurtling towards Earth in 2014, catching the eye of Avi Loeb and his dedicated team of researchers. Now, this wasn't your ordinary meteor. IM-1 was special, and not just because of its speed. It zoomed through space faster than 95% of nearby stars. But that wasn't all. It exploded lower in Earth's atmosphere than most meteors do. Avi Loeb and his colleague, Amir Siraj, crunched the numbers and came to a mind-boggling conclusion. IM-1 wasn't from our neck of the cosmic woods. No. With 99.999% confidence, they determined that this rock had traveled all the way from another star, Imagine that, a traveler from the distant reaches of the universe, landing right in our backyard. But the journey to this revelation wasn't smooth sailing. They faced roadblocks, academic rejection, and bureaucratic hurdles. They were denied access to vital government data about IM-1. Imagine the frustration. You've got this incredible discovery, but you're stuck because the information you need is locked away. Then, in a twist straight out of a sci-fi movie, the US Space Force stepped in. They confirmed IM-1's velocity, validating Avi's theory that it was indeed an interstellar visitor. Armed with this confirmation, Avi dove deeper. He used Department of Defense data and seismology readings to trace the meteor's path, pinpointing the area where its debris had fallen. With the backing of U.S. entrepreneur Charles Hoskinson, Avi assembled a dream team of ocean explorers. Picture this, a crew of experts led by Rob McCallum, a seasoned explorer who had been raising alarms about underwater expeditions long before. They set sail from Avi's home in Connecticut, bound for the mysterious waters near Papua New Guinea. But here's where the story takes a real twist. Just as they were gearing up for their expedition, a former U.S. Air Force intelligence officer spilled the beans about a secretive UFO retrieval program. Imagine the excitement, the tension, the thrill of this unexpected leak. Meanwhile, the Silver Star expedition vessel was slicing through the Pacific waves on a mission to uncover secrets from the cosmos. Avi Loeb, the fearless explorer, chronicled the expedition in a digital journal, sharing the excitement and challenges of this daring quest. As the ship sailed towards the meteor's estimated landing zone near Manus Island, Papua New Guinea, Avi marveled at the linguistic tapestry of Papua, a place with a staggering 850 spoken languages. It was a reminder of Earth's rich diversity, a diversity that might soon include a new language, an extraterrestrial one. The crew, armed with scientific zeal, dropped a wide magnetic sled into the ocean depths, hoping to catch a glimpse of the cosmic visitor. Imagine this sled, trailing behind the ship, a high-tech fishing net designed to capture the mysteries of the universe. But this was no ordinary fishing expedition. They were angling for metallic marbles from the stars. Days turned into nights, and just when hope was flickering, a breakthrough lit up the expedition. The sled hauled up the first spherical metallic marbles, tiny pearls born from the explosion of meteors and asteroids. These little wonders, smaller than a grain of sand, glistened with cosmic secrets. At first, they seemed like rusty iron shards, weathered by time and sea. But under the scrutiny of fluorescent X-rays, their true nature was revealed. They weren't just any metal. They were a steel and titanium alloy, the famed S5 or shock-resisting steel. Imagine the excitement in the lab, scientists peering at these micro-marvels, marveling at their strength and origin. Under the microscope, these metallic pearls appeared like masterpieces, resembling Earth and, in a mystical manner, gold. Avi Loeb was overwhelmed with awe. They weren't just ordinary bits of metal, they were fragments of a cosmic enigma, proof that our universe is far from a silent corner. It's a bustling hub of interstellar travelers and mysteries just waiting to be unveiled. My daughter asked if she can have one for a necklace, and I said that they were too small to thread through, he said. The objects will be taken to the Harvard College Observatory, where a team of researchers will analyze them for comparisons to other meteorite debris. Rather than finding a needle in a haystack, Prof. Loeb is convinced his interstellar expedition found tiny specks of an alien life form in the middle of the ocean. On their final day at sea, having collected 50 spherules from the first recognized interstellar meteor, Prof. Loeb and the team cracked open bottles of champagne on the deck of the Silver Star. There is this new opportunity of looking for interstellar debris at the bottom of the ocean, Prof. Loeb told The Independent. And the ocean is sort of like a museum. If it fell in the Sahara Desert, it would have been covered with sand by now. Those tiny droplets fell on the ocean floor, waited for 9.5 years until our magnet attracted them. This entire story is just amazing. For a researcher who has written more than 1,000 theoretical research papers, finding tiny objects at the bottom of the ocean had been an exhilarating experience. These past 2 weeks have been the most thrilling of my scientific career, he exclaimed. Prof. Loeb's second book, Interstellar, was published on the 29th of August 2023. Do you believe these fragments could be proof of alien life? And what's the most fascinating thing to you about this discovery?